Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and here I'm back doing the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. And I had not been here for a while. I'd been on break. So let's do the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade now. Let's move to the charts since we are not having any high impact news into the market. Pretty much similar as it happened yesterday. So let's see if the price moves radically or not. Let's move to the charts now. So this is the monthly chart, and what we can see is that the price had reacted from this level already in September, and this was the high. And we had also a close right below this candle, which makes it a strong high for the price breach. Right now, I'm anticipating that most likely we can have a reaction into the price levels from this extreme point of this candle. Now, let's move to the weeklies. As we moved into the weeklies, what we see is that we see a huge gap into the price after the opening, which is that this gap. So I'm now anticipating that the price can come down and mitigate this level since there had not been any trading at this point. So let's move to the dailies now. As we move into the dailies, what we see is that it is similar for the daily levels too. And we have not yet closed above the candles range. We are within this daily candle range. So let's move to the 4 hours to see a detailed picture. As we move into the 4 hours, what we see is that the price had trapped the sailors, took their stop losses, and right now we are tapping this 4-hour FVG. So it is a matter to see because all of these candles are closing within the previous candle's range since this candle. Now let's move to the 1 hour to have a clear picture. As we move into the 1 hour, what we see is that we have taken the liquidity and we got this breach into the price, which makes it a relatively strong high if we have to go lower. Now let's move to the 30 minutes. As we move into the 30 minutes, what we see is that this is the inverted FVG for the price. And I'm anticipating now that we can go higher and mitigate this level. Let's mark it using the path. We can go a bit more higher, mitigate this level, and then possibly come down towards the lower levels. So this is my current anticipation. And if that doesn't happen, this will be my invalidation zone for me to understand that the price structure has shifted and turned into bullish. For now, I'm bearish into the market. Now let's move to the 15 minutes to have a clear bias. 15 minutes actually uh, validates the 30 minutes structure, and we are moving upside, so I'm still anticipating that we can move till this FVG level from where the price can move into the downward side. Though we are having extreme levels too, now that this will be the matter to see if where the price starts to react from. Let's move to the 5 minutes, and I'll be turning on the sessions for the liquidity factor. So we can see that all of them are having almost equal lows, though we have breached this low level, making this a strong high. Later on, the price mitigated this structure, making this an order flow for the price to move into the bearish side, and we are having reason for the price to go lower. So this is for it now. I'm anticipating the price to move into the downward side from the current level, and this is pretty much it. Do write me into the comments that what are your bias and how are you seeing the market today. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep trading.